Hi guys, this is Minnie from Minnie Cute Club. So for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the limited edition L.O.L surprise bubbly surprise. 2 of them. So obviously this is my first time unboxing these, so I don't know what's inside, but apparently there's a surprise doll for each kit. They were about 30 bucks each. Recently I had an idea of unboxing L.O.L surprises, either in all Japanese or all English. And I actually made a poll on YouTube. More than 10,000 people took the poll, which I'm so grateful of. Oh my gosh, thank you guys so much. But over 65% of the people, at least last time I checked, wanted me to make an all English video, which I'm quite surprised because I don't have many foreign viewers. So here I am speaking in English, which kind of sucks for me because I have to write all the Japanese translation right here. Oh my gosh. Good luck editing me. But anyways, here I am. Let's start unboxing these little treasure boxes. So here it is, the pink box. There's a zipper right here. Let me open it. So I guess I have to cut these open. Let's pull this tab right here and okay, it's kind of stuck. This is how it looks inside. Me first. Unbox me! Okay, so let me lift this part. Okay, this is just a plastic part. And there's 6 balls and 1 big bath bomb inside. So I'm guessing that the doll is inside here. So these are like little pearls that has your accessory parts inside. So let's open these first. I'm not sure if there's any order to open these up, but I'm just gonna go from here, counterclockwise. Okay. Ah, that's the nice part. These are quite small. Ta-da! Whoa, what is this? Okay, so I'm guessing this is a headband with a little hat. Okay, that's cute. And oh my gosh, I did not expect this. Okay, let me take it out. Let me check if there's anything inside. And nope. Oh, I love this sound. Let me pick up the little bits. I'm just gonna put this back in. I'm not sure if these sand dry up or anything, but I'd rather have them really clean inside this. Let's open the next one. I wonder if there's sand in every single ball. It's kind of heavy, but I hear rattling inside. 3, 2, 1, ta-da! So there are sand in every single ball. Ooh, shoes. So I found 2 little cute shoes inside. I really love how they put this plastic thing on top, so there won't be any sand inside the shoes. Let me roll it up a bit again, pick up the fallouts, and just put it back in. Okay, on to the 3rd ball. This one does not have any sand. I'm guessing it's gonna be her dress. Let's see if my guess is right. And yes, it's her dress! It's a mermaid dress! That's so cute! Aww. Yes, I love mermaids. On to the next ball, and this does have sand inside. Oops. So I'm guessing it's gonna be like a small charm. Open. Ooh, it's a blue one. It's so round. Okay, I'm just gonna dig in. I heard a crack. Oh my gosh. I hope I'm like breaking it. Ooh, oh, it's a bathing suit. I'm gonna get all the sand out here. And it's like a bikini. Aww. And I love this style. I'd wear it. Roll it up, pick it up. And on to the next ball. This one's really light. And ooh, it's a skirt. That's a cute sailor skirt. I wonder why they have sand for some, but not for all. Anyways, so on to my last ball. So this one doesn't have any sand inside as well. Which I'm guessing, since we have a skirt, this is going to be the top. Okay, let's open it. And yes! Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Like a Japanese schoolgirl outfit. Hi! Hi guys! Oh, no, my skirt! Okay, anyways, moving on to the bath bomb. Oh, her name's Sailor Cutie. Some instructions. I'm good. Wow, it's really heavy and super big and really dense. This is tightly sealed. I just unwrapped one, but there's another wrap inside. Never ending. So here we have the bath bomb, which is crumbling, so we shouldn't move it around too much like what I'm doing right now. Let me put it inside. And we would need to put water inside this bowl. But first off, let's put this aside. It's just that I love leaving the best for the last. So I'm going to put it in the water after I'm done unboxing all the little balls first. Oh my gosh, it's really stuck. Ooh, I love this color. It's so orange. This time I'm going to start from here and open it clockwise. Let's start with this little ball. You know what? I want to use these balls for like some kind of room decoration. In 3, 2, 1, open. Ooh! So here's her little top, which is quite flimsy compared to the other ones. And my next ball, being quite the detective I am, I'm guessing there's a skirt inside here. Let's see. Okay, shorts. Okay, I'm so smart. But I mean shorts. So here's the top and here's the bottom. Like I said, again, it's quite flimsy. Okay, the third one. Oh, a matching dress. I did not see that coming. So here's the first one and here's the second one. They're matching. Oh my gosh, that's so adorable. They could be like twins. Aww. Moving on. And ooh. So we have the sand again. Let's dig in. Ooh, little shoes. Cute orange shoes, which is perfect for her outfit. Okay, sand again, and we're digging in. Oh my god, is this a mermaid tail? It's a mermaid? Wait, but how do you put this on? I don't think this is gonna fit her legs. Wait, I'm really confused. Is it for her head? No, that can't be. Her arm? No, wait, what? Like that is not gonna fit her waist. Oh, it must be for her pet. But what kind of pet is gonna be shaped like this? Wait, I'm really confused, but I'm really excited to open this. Okay, let's move on. And the last little ball we have. 3, 2, 1, open. Ooh, it's a pink one. We have a bathing suit. Aww. This is again so cute. So this was what was inside all the little balls. And I'm still curious to know what this is. I still don't have any idea. We're supposed to put the top underneath the bowl so it stays still. I mean, it's not 100% stable, but better than nothing. Open this up. Ooh. And now for the best part. Let's get some water. Wow, that is a lot of bubbles. And the color is so pretty. I'm so impatient. I'm gonna force it open with my hands. Ooh. Okay, the suds are gone. This is gonna take a while for it to completely dissolve. I'm gonna wipe it a little bit. All clean and nice. So here's the container. Ta-da! Ooh, this is definitely the doll. There's 3 more surprises inside. Let's start with the doll. She is so pretty. I love her hair. Like, it's pearly. I don't think I've ever seen a doll's hair like this before. See, like, it changes colors. Ooh, iridescent. And aww, it's her little cat. And she has the same hair. Same pearly hair. I have no clue what's inside here. Okay. It's her bottle. It's so soft that you can bend it this way. Okay, let's get her a dress to wear. And there you go. Now I know what this is for. Look at her legs. She's sitting like a mermaid. And I'm guessing you're gonna... No? Wait, how do you put this on? I'm still so confused. Wait, what? There you go. She is so cute. I'm in love. And there you have it. Last but not least, and in you go. This is gonna make a pretty purple. Okay, so here's our last unboxing. I'm sure this is the doll. Oh, she's so adorable. Wow, I love her hair. You can see how it shimmers in the light. Pearly, pink-green iridescent. Her little puppy. I just love how they have like so much hair. The bottle. Let's get her some clothes on. And this is how it looks with her clothes on. I love how anime-ish she looks. She may be my new favorite. So this is the whole package. I'm really in love with the mermaid kitty and this new little girl. Who's your favorite? Oh my gosh, these dolls are so adorable. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! 本日もご視聴いただきありがとうございます。こことここに昨日の動画とおすすめの動画を載せておきます。あとね、Twitter とインスタもやってるのでぜひぜひフォローお願いします。それではまた次の動画でお会いしましょう。バイバーイ。